Okay, good morning to one and all. Okay, today we are discussing about reliability design. Okay, first we are creating the sets, that is the sets. First, initially s power 0, 1 comma 0. Next, we are calculating s power I, sorry, sj power I. J represents the number of devices in stage I. So number of devices in stage I, it is sj power I. J represents the number of devices in particular stage I. So first we are consider M1 equal to 1. N1 equal to 1 means the first device is 1. S1 power 1, that is S1 power 1. Suppose the reliability, that is the reliability is 0.9 and cost of device is 30. That is the cost of first device is 30. Suppose in first stage you are using only single device, that is suppose you are using single device, the cost is 30. Suppose you are using single device, the reliability is 0.9. So 0.9 comma 30. Next, suppose S2 power 1, that is S2 power 1 means in first stage we are using two devices, that is we are using two devices. The reliability is 0.99. The cost, that is the cost is 30 plus 30. 60, that is 30 plus 30. Suppose you are taking two devices in second stage, first stage, you are taking one device in third stage, you are acceptable for taking third device, first one device in third stage, second stage, one device in third stage. The sum of the cost is 60 plus 15 plus 20, 95. So you are check the domain rules, that is check the domain rule is the sum of the costs is less than or equal to the total budget of the system. It is the total budget of the system is 105. So combining the two sets, that is two tuples. So s power 1 equal to 0.9 comma 30. Next 0.99 comma 60 is 0.9 comma 30 means suppose in first stage you are taking only one device, that is suppose in first stage you are taking only one device, that is 30. Suppose in first stage you are taking two devices, that is 0.99 comma 60, that is 60 means 30 plus 30, 60. So next you are calculating s square, that is to calculate the s square in first stage, that is in second stage we are taking single device, in second stage you are taking two devices, in second stage you are taking three devices. So first we are calculating, that is the first we are calculating s1 power, that is the s1 square. S1 square, that is S1 square means in second stage you are taking single device. Means in first stage you are taking single device or two devices. The maximum number of devices in first stage, that is the maximum number of devices in first stage is 2. So we are calculating two tuples. Suppose in first stage single device, in second stage single device, that is M1 equal to 1, M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 1. Next, suppose you are taking two devices, that is suppose in first stage you are taking two devices, in second stage you are taking one device, that is M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 1. This we are calculating 0.7975. So the first tuple, that is the first tuple represents 0.72 comma 45. Second tuple represents 0.79 comma 75. The first tuple represents M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 1. The second tuple represents M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 1. So how we are getting 45? M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 1. So in previous slide, C1 plus C2, what is C1 plus C2 means 30 plus 15, 45. So 13 plus 15, 45. How we are getting 72? Suppose in first stage you are taking single device 0.9. In second stage you are taking single device 0.8. That is 0.9 into 0.7. It is 9/8 center. 9/8, 72. So 0.72. What is 0.7? Next. 0.79 comma 75. How we are getting 75? In first stage, two devices means 30 plus 30, 60. plus in second stage we are taking single device, that means 15. So 30 plus 30 is 60 plus 15, 75. Next, how we are getting 79? 79 means in first stage you are taking two devices. That is, what is the reliability of first stage? If number of devices is 0.99. In second stage you are 0.08. That means 0.99 into 0.8 equal to 0.79. This S1 square. That is, S1 square means S1 square means in first stage you are taking only single device. Suppose 45. 45 means first stage single device, second stage single device. In third stage, that is in third stage is 20. Suppose 40 plus 20 less than 195. Okay, domain rules. Okay. Next one, 75 plus 20, 95 less than 105. So it also sum of the cost is less than or equal to 45. In third stage having single device, that is in third stage having single device. Okay. Next, we are applying dominated rule. That is domain rule. In domain rule already we are explaining. Suppose F1 x1, F2 x1, F1 is greater than or equal to F2. Next, x1 less than x2, then discard F2 comma x2. So F1 greater than F2. That is, F1 greater than F2 means 0.72 greater than 0.72 greater than 0.72, but x2 less than 45 less than what? Okay. So next, suppose in second stage you are taking two devices. That is, in second stage you are taking two devices. So M1 equal to 1. Next, the first tuple represents M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2. In second tuple represents M2 equal to 2, M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 2. M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 2 means in first stage you are device 1. In second
Sir, namaste.
In second stage we are taking two devices. So M1 equal to 1.
M1 equal to 2.
35 euro.
Nee.
So M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2.
Hey, Abu.
Okay, M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2.
Hey.
Or 55, 35.
Sir, Nenga, sir.
Okay. 35. M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2. That is, M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2. M1 means the cost of first device is 30. The cost of second device is 15. 50, cost of second device is 15. That is the cost of first device is 30. 30 plus M2 equal to 2. That is M2 equal to 2 means 15 plus 15, 30. So 60, that is 60 means that is the 60 means that is the 60 means 30 plus 15 plus 15. In first stage, you are taking only single device. In second stage, you are taking two devices. So 30 plus 15 plus 50, 60. Next one, M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 2. That is M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 2. That is M1 equal to 2 means 30 plus 30, 60. 30 plus 30, 60. M2 equal to 2 means 15 plus 50, 30. Totally 90. Is totally 90. That is 90 means, suppose in third stage you are taking single device. That is in third stage you are taking single device. The cost is 20. 90 plus 20, that is the 90 plus 90 plus 20. 90 plus 20, 110. That is it less than cost. That is the less than the total cost of the system. So by using domain rule, that is by using domain rule, that is you are removing 0.94 comma 90. That is 0.94 comma 90 means you can discard M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 2. Because suppose in first stage you are taking two devices. That is in first stage you are taking two devices. In second stage you are taking two devices. In third stage, that is in third stage you are taking single device. You cannot take the single device because the total cost of the system, that is the total cost of the system is less than 105. But in second stage you are in first stage you are taking two devices. In second stage you are taking two devices. In third stage, that is in third stage you are taking single device. The sum of the cost is less than or equal to 105. But in not less than or equal to 105, it is 110. So by using domain rules, that is by using domain rule, eliminate, that is eliminate because it not allows M3. Okay, it not allow M3. So S2 equal to, that is S square, that is S square, S2 square, this S2 square equal to 0.84. 0.84 means M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to, that is M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2. That is the reliability if M1 equal to 1, M1 equal to 1 means 0.9. And next one M2 equal to 2, that is M2 equal to 2 means, suppose the reliability if M2 equal to 2, that is M2 equal to 2 means 0.96. That is 0.9 into 0.96. That equal to 0.864. Next, by using domain rule, you can eliminate 0.94. So totally S2 equal to only single tuple, that is 0.64 comma 60. Next, suppose in second stage we are taking three devices. That is in second stage we are taking three devices. In first stage, that is M1 equal to 1. That is M1 equal to 1 means M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 3. That is M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 3 means 0.89. That is M2 equal to 3 means 30 plus M2 equal to 3 means three devices in second stage. That is 15 plus 15 plus 15, 45. 45 plus 30. That is 45 plus 30. 45 plus 30, 72. Evro.
Chandrahas sir.
ఓకేనమ్మా ఎందుకు అరుస్తున్నా
By mistake unmute అయింది సార్.
ఎందుకు అవుతుంది బై మిస్టేక్?
మీ బావగారు వచ్చేటి వేళ
Okay, S2 square equal to 0.86. Suppose M2 equal to 3, that is M2 equal to 3 means the number of devices, that is the number of devices in third stage is 3. The number of the devices in third stage is 3 means M1 equal to 1. Suppose in first stage we are using single device. In second stage we are using 3 devices. The sum of the cost, that is the sum of the cost is 75, is less than 105. If you are using another device in third stage, that is M3 equal to 1, is 70 plus 20, 95 less than 105. So recall M1 equal to 1. Suppose M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to is greater than 105. Next one, M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 3, greater than 105. We not consider M2 equal to 2, M2 equal to 3, because the sum of the cost, that is the sum of the cost of the devices, that is the sum of the cost of the device is greater than 105. Next here, M2 equal to 2, M2 equal to 3, equal to sum of the cost is greater than 105. So sum of the cost is greater than 105. So you are not calculating tuples for M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 3. Same M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 3, greater than 105. So totally number of tuples, that is the number of tuples in S square, that is the number of tuples in S square is the first one 0.7245, second one 0.7275, third next second one 0.08660, next one 0.89. So applying domain rules, that is the domain rules, by applying the domain rules, F1 greater than F2 and X1 less than S2, that is the 75 less than 60, that is 75 less than 60, 75 less than 60, that is F1 greater than or equal to F2. 0.79 is greater than or equal to 0.860. Eliminate domain 0.869 comma 60. So we are removing 0.792 comma 75. So finally it is the finally S2 equal to finally S2 equal to 0.72 comma 45, 0.864 comma 60, 0.892 comma 75. Is M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2. So you can place another device in third stage. Next one, M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2. You can place another device in third stage because one less than 105. Third device, that is the cost of the third device is 105. Next, M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 3. It is M1 equal to M2 equal to 3. So the cost of the device is less than 75 plus 20 less than 25. Next, third device, that is the third device. Third device means third device. M1 equal M3 equal to 1. M3 equal to 1 means M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 1, M3 equal to 1. Means we are using in first one device in first stage, that is D1 equal to 1, D2 equal to 1, D3 equal to 1. Next, second one, M1 equal to 1, M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2, M3 equal to 1. Means we are using one device in first stage, two devices in second stage, and one device in third stage. So my 1 to 1. So 0.43 comma 80. It is 0.43 comma 80 means 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 20, 80. So next 313. It is 0. First one device in first stage, three devices in second stage. That is three devices in second stage and one device in third stage. So we are calculating domain rules. Okay. Next, suppose in third stage we are using two devices. That is in third stage we are using two devices. Suppose 112. It is 112 and next one is 122. Okay, 112 and 122. Is 112 and 122 means only from S square. It is only from S square means which are eligible, which are valid for S square means M1 equal to 1. We are calculating tuple only M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 1. Next, M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 1, M2 equal to 1. Next, we are calculating valid. That is valid means same only from S square. That is only from S square means in S square 112. And next one is 112. That is 112, 112 only from S square. In S square, that is in S square only valid. That is valid means valid. You are using M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 1, and M3 equal to 1. M3 equal to 2. M3 equal to means 60 plus 20, 45, that is 100. M1, M11, that is 112. S square, from S square means S2 cube. Next, S3 equal to, that equal to 0.63, 105, only from S3 means that is 0.63 comma 105. That means S3, that is only from S square. Suppose only from S square means we are using 3 devices, that is you are using 3 devices. Suppose M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 3, that is M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 3. So 0.63 comma 105. So by applying dominate rule, that is by applying dominate rule, that is the eliminate 0.63, the finally, that is the finally the values, that is 0.3665, 0.4580, 0.5480, 0.560. So you are eliminating 0.63 comma 105 is F1 greater than F2, that is F1 greater than F2, and X2 less than X2, that is X2 less than X1 less than X2. Eliminate 0.63 comma 105, that is the eliminate 0.63 comma 105. Totally S3, that is totally S3 equal to, that is S3 equal to 0.36 and 65, 0.43 comma 80, 0.54 comma
Is that
85.
clear?
So finally S3 equal to 0.648 comma 100. So 0.688 comma 100, that is 100 means 1 comma 2 comma 2, that is it is the maximum cost 100 less than 105, and maximum reliability, that is the maximum reliability 0.63, that equal to 122. That is 122 means in first stage, that is in first stage we are using single device, that is in first stage we are using single device. In second stage 2 devices, that is 1 comma 2 comma 2, that is 1 comma 2 comma 2 means in first stage we are taking single device, in second stage 2 devices, in third stage 2 devices. So maximum cost is 100 and maximum reliability is 0.648, that is 0.68. So totally the total number of devices, that is the total number of devices in each stage with the maximum reliability, that is the maximum reliability is M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2, M3 equal to 3. So in first stage we are using single device, that is in first stage we are using single device, that is in first stage we are using single device. In second stage we are using 2 devices, in third stage we are using 2 devices. So the maximum upper bound, that is the upper bound of first stage is 2, upper bound of second stage is 3, upper bound of third stage is 2. So maximum reliability, that is the maximum reliability, that is the maximum reliability is 0.64, it is the maximum reliability is 0.64. The total cost, that is the total cost of the devices is less than 105, that is M1 equal to 30.
Vankar Madakai.
M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2, M3 equal to 2 means M1 equal to 30, M2 equal to 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 30, 60 plus 2, 2 means 20, it is 100. So less than 100. So total reliability 0.64, it is the maximum reliability, it is the maximum reliability and sum of the cost of the devices, that is the sum of the cost of the devices is less than or equal to 100. So our main problem is suppose the upper bound 233, and next one is problem is cost is 30, 15, 20. So total cost, that is the total cost of the device is 105 that is less than 105, our cost is 100, less than 100. So the number of devices in each stage, that is the number of devices in each stage is 1 to 2. So suppose by using parallel design, that is by using parallel design, here the number of devices used is 1, the number of devices used in second, number of devices used in third stage is 2. Okay,